Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Naomi. If this is your first time seeing this gorgeous girl, you're welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Alright, so today's video, I will be talking to you guys about my wash days. I'll be sharing some of the tips that has helped my wash days and totally transformed my wash days. Over the years, I've been battling with my wash days, and even though I've uploaded wash day videos on YouTube, sometimes I just feel like my routine is somehow tedious and I spend a lot of time just washing my hair. Sometimes I end up with, tangled hair, and sometimes I feel like the shampoo just makes my hair extra strong. I don't know if you guys feel me, like if you experience some of these things that I experience, let me know in the comments. I think I've mastered my wash days, and I've made my routine a lot more easier. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, please keep on watching. So quickly, I'm just going to list some of the things that I think you need for wash days by yourself, how to wash your hair by yourself at home, whether it's natural hair or relaxed hair, just hair, okay? Yeah, let's do that. My last video, I talked to you guys about some of the tools that has helped make my relaxed hair easy and manageable. Claw clips, these are really great. I feel like one of the first things I pull out when I know is wash days, because I told you guys in that video how I like to work in sections, and claw clips just help to put things in perspective. So if I'm working on this section, I'm going to use my claw clip to clip my other parts of my hair away, so that I can focus on this part of my hair. I hope that makes sense. Right, so the next thing would be a comb or a hairbrush or whatever it is you use to detangle your hair. So one of the best things I think has helped my wash days would be to always detangle my hair before I go into the shower. You never ever want to wash hair that is covered in tangles. By the time you come out of the shower, you are going to require a lot of your strength, a lot more energy, a lot more time to detangle your hair. I would never advise you to wash your hair 1 hour before you step out of the house. Like, there's no point, except you just want to do a quick wash and go, like those dry shampoo. But if you really mean to put water on your hair, wash and condition and deep condition, try doing it on days where you are totally free and you're not in a hurry to go anywhere. So I think you get the best results from it. Okay, so yeah, so detangle your hair, and if possible you can twist your hair in sections so that you can really get your hands in there to your scalp, because one of the first things you need to wash, or one of the reasons why we wash our hair basically, is not just your hair but your scalp, because your scalp needs to be clean. The next thing I really want to talk about would be pre-poo. A lot of people are used to doing pre-poo now because of the benefits. Pre-poo is basically putting product in your hair before the day you decide to wash your hair, or an hour before. So you can do it at night. I usually do my pre-poo the night before wash days, or the day before wash days. So why pre-poo? Say for example, from maybe Monday to Friday, maybe your hair is super dry, it lacks moisture, or you were not able to apply your leave-in conditioners or hair oil during the week. So you can decide to say, you know what, I want to do a pre-poo treatment the day before I wash my hair. So your pre-poo treatment could be a hair oil, it could be a leave-in conditioner, it could be a deep conditioner, it could be an aloe vera treatment, whatever it is you think your hair is lacking and you're trying to put back into your hair. So you can do any of these pre-poo the night before, an hour before. Let it sit in on your hair before you go ahead to wash it. It's super important. It just helps your hair feel light, feel soft and easy to manage even after shampooing. So that's what pre-poo is, and let me know if you do pre-poo in the comment section. On the day you set aside to wash your hair, let's say on wash days, you would have already been thinking about the type of conditioner or shampoo you want to use. If you only have one shampoo, then it's fine. But if you're like me and you have maybe one or two shampoo that you alternate between, you want to make the decision about what type of shampoo I want to use. If you've been washing your hair weekly, maybe once a week, so that's 4 times in a month, you can try using a moisturizing shampoo for 3 times that week, and then use a clarifying shampoo once a month. For example, this Nature's Gentle Touch Herbal Blend Conditioner, this is an example of a moisturizing shampoo. I have another one here from Mega Growth. This is a stimulating shampoo. and I don't think it's a clarifying shampoo, but every time I put it in my hair, I feel this, tingling sensation in my scalp. So I feel like that's just what the stimulating thing does. Another shampoo I would like to show you guys is this ORS aloe shampoo. When I got this shampoo, you guys, I'm not going to lie, I was using this every other week because of how, silky and smooth it left my hair. I also realized that this is a clarifying shampoo, so I stopped using it every other week. It's once a month. So they both work differently, but they are for the same purpose, to wash your hair and to take off dirt from your hair. The next thing you will need to do is to condition your hair. Yeah, so conditioners, the regular conditioners, I feel like a lot of us are used to add the regular rinse out conditioner, and this is one from ORS. This is the conditioning replenishing conditioner from ORS. It's actually a very good conditioner. I double this as a deep conditioner for my hair sometimes, especially when I'm out of all my deep conditioners. So that's a great one. So every time you wash your hair with a shampoo, you want to follow up with a regular rinse out conditioner. If you're just jumping out of the shower, out of the bathroom with just shampoo on your hair, and you haven't followed up with anything to soften the hair, you're going to have problems. Okay, so get a shampoo and a good rinse out conditioner to follow up. Right, next things I will talk about would be deep conditioners. Deep conditioners are sort of like a treatment for your hair. They just really how would I say, they treat your hair from, all the wear and tear. Sometimes your hair can be too strong. You use deep conditioners like cholesterol deep conditioners to treat your hair, to get it to a point where it's not as strong and it causes breakage. Yeah, another type of deep conditioners you should look out for are protein treatment deep conditioners. These ones also help, bring your hair from a point where it's super soft and stretchy, like a overcooked spaghetti, to a point where it's a bit strong, that it can handle, your styling process and all of that. So these things help to balance, your hair, so that it's never too strong or too soft. It's just, there's a perfect balance. So your hair is like, okay, if you get what I mean. Next on my list would be leave-in conditioners. Guys, from the first time I got in contact with leave-in conditioners, I have not looked back. They are just something that I use for my everyday styling, and it's just so amazing. You guys know that I love using the Mega Growth break free living strengthener. I absolutely love this. It's my baby. I recently purchased this. It smells good, and the number one ingredient here is water. I absolutely love it. I recently picked up this one from TCB Naturals. I love this as well. It's a leave-in treatment with shea butter and coconut oil. I thought this was a hair oil when I picked it up, but to my greatest surprise, I got home, I saw that it was a leave-in treatment. I didn't quite read it, so that's a sign, you guys. Every time you go to the store, please read thoroughly, look at the product before you pay for them, know what you're buying, know if it's for your hair, and yeah, so don't just throw away your money. Yeah, another thing that has helped my wash days would be a heat cup. You guys know, you've seen this in my videos like maybe 2 or 3 times. I got this early this year as well. Just applying heat to my hair, especially when I have deep conditioners on my hair. I feel like they're just great. Like, it's so good. It helps the product to really penetrate into my hair, and I love how my hair feels afterwards. After I take it off and just feeling my hair before I go and rinse the deep conditioners out. I just love how it feels, and my hair just feels really soft and easy to comb and manage. So if you haven't gotten one of these, you can try to invest in it. So when you're done washing your hair, you can either decide to go in with a leave-in conditioner while your hair is still damp, or you can add a bit of hair oil to your scalp if you feel like your scalp dries out really quickly and all of that. It's up to you. So those are the things you can do. Now, the last but not the least is how you want to style your hair, because after wash day or after washing your hair, you have the option of either leaving your hair to a dry, or you also have the option of blow drying your hair with a blow dryer. And yeah, so blow drying your hair is also a skill. I think that's another video for another day. because I air dried my hair a lot. I'm still like learning how to blow dry my own hair. If it's something you think you're going to battle with, definitely go to a salon and get a professional to do that for you. Okay. Yeah. And after that will come sick press, or a simple protective style, or a permanent or a protective style that will last you for a week or a month. So that's up to you. But some of these things that I've shared with you, if you really sit down and say, oh, what am I going to do on wash days? Do I want to do a pre-poo before wash day? Do I want to do a deep conditioning treatment today? What deep conditioning treatment? Do I want to do a protein or a cholesterol treatment, or an aloe vera treatment, or a hot oil treatment? What does my hair need? I feel like it all boils down to what your hair really needs. So listen to your hair, put your hands on your hair, feel your hair, and just, determine, you by yourself, determine or diagnose what your hair needs, and then proceed to give it exactly what it wants. And I think you're just going to have a very, very successful wash day. So that's all. I feel like that's everything. If I forgot anything, you guys, please let me know in the comment section. Let me know what other videos you'd like to see. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't given this video a thumbs up, oh my god, what are you waiting for? Please smash that like button. Kindly click on the red subscribe button below this video to join this family. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Okay, bye bye.